The fire system works. Let's refill this ESS fire bottle. So I accidentally set off my fire system when I was working on the car a few weeks ago. I don't actually feel too bad since these bottles should be refilled every few years. One of the nice features of this ESS system is that it's user refillable. You can pick up a refill kit for 50 to 60 bucks depending on the size of your system. It comes with a new bottle of AFFF, which apparently stands for Aqueous Film Forming Foam. Try saying that 3 times fast. A CO2 cartridge and a new rupture disc. You'll need some eye protection, gloves, something to measure either 12 or 19 ounces of fluid, and distilled water. Let's get started. Start by removing the discharge head from the cylinder and separating the hose from the head. Remove the old rupture disc from the head. You might need a pick or a screwdriver to dislodge the old one. Grab your new rupture disc. It's usually taped to the side of the bottle. I totally missed this the first time. Pay attention to this next part. Carefully examine the new rupture disc. You'll notice one side is cut and the other side is uncut. Reinstall the new rupture disc into the head assembly. Make sure that after you've replaced the rupture disc, the cut side is visible. Reattach the hose to the head assembly and tighten. Thread in your new CO2 cartridge. If you forget, like I did, you will dump water everywhere. Completely fill the cylinder with distilled water. Pour out exactly 12 ounces for a 2.3 liter system, or 19 ounces for the larger 5 liter system. I didn't want to waste any good measuring cups, so I found an old container and measured out 12 ounces of water at home, and I marked the level where 12 ounces would be. We're going to empty the entire contents of the concentrate into the cylinder. This stuff in its concentrated form can really mess you up, so make sure you're wearing your safety glasses. Replace the cylinder head and tighten down to approximately 25 to 30 foot-pounds. Do not over torque. Alright, that's it. Clean up your work area, wash your hands, and you're good to go. Like always, I will link any official documentation in the comments below. If you've got ideas for other videos you'd like to see, please leave a comment below. And like and subscribe to stay updated when we upload new videos. Until next time.